Does your child struggle in crowded and noisy places? Yes, it's very common and it's very commonly observed in kids with autism spectrum disorder. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I'm a pediatric neurologist, a behavior analyst and a special educator. Yes, they do have problems in crowded places, in places where there is a lot of noise. Now, in a crowded place where already people are there, to manage or to give interventions when you're already in public, it's very difficult because you are not planned, you are not equipped enough, or you're not in an environment that is controlled enough to put interventions. In these places, it is always better to put noise cancellation headphones so that the noise or the noisy surroundings becomes less noisy for the child. But that's not the permanent solution. You have to train the child to bear the loud noises. How would you do that? You have to do that only in a controlled environment. That is your house or your therapy centers or wherever you are. You can control the environment. How do you do that? Desensitization with sound. Now, usually it starts with small volume noises. Like for example, on the internet, on the YouTube, you will get a lot of crowded places videos or audios which will be there in the videos. You just have to play the sound. You have to play the sound for a minute or less than a minute, how long the child is able to bear it. If he is able to bear it, keep increasing the sound. Keep doing this frequently in the day. Start with a smaller noise or a smaller volume, and then you increase the volume slowly and develop a sensitize the child for the noise in the controlled setting. Once that is done, he will start recognizing, or he will be getting adjusted to the sound even outside, in the outside setting, whenever you are going to a mall or a crowded place. The second problem what they can have is the visibility of a lot of people. That means, one, it can be sound sensitivity. Second, it can be lot of people in the vision. For this again, it is better if you desensitize the child by taking him to crowded places for some time, like be it 5 minutes, be it 3 minutes, be it 10 minutes, how much ever the child is able to bear, and bring him out. Do this exercise on a daily basis to different places. Take him, let him stay how much ever he is comfortable, take him out. Don't take him out after he shows the behavior. Take him out prior to he started showing the behavior. Then slowly start desensitizing, increasing the time and making him used to the vision or the sight of many people. So, ways to handle the noise in a crowded place. First is, you have to give a noise cancellation headphones to the child whenever you are taking him out. Along with that, at home or in the therapy center, you have to start desensitizing activity for your for sound by giving him audios of increasing volumes. And third, you have to take him to different crowded places on a daily basis and desensitize him of the vision of the crowded place.